Ferran Torres. Oh, shooting chance! Punched away. Ferran, he's got the... He's gone forward. And here's Ferran, carry neat. Chooses to go cross-field. Fires it. Shot! And smartly... Well, there's the clearance. No. He has found the way through. Climbs up big. And he's there. And so we reach a fork in the road. Fortunes can turn either way from this point. One path leads to where they all want to be, or at least a significant step closer to it. What doesn't bear thinking about is the alternative. It is time for the central characters to stand tall. And this place is living up to its reputation as one of the noisiest corners of the footballing world. No decibels spared in this collective chorus. And already we're underway here. There's a beautiful simplicity about this contest. Willing running on one side, dogged defence on the other. Pedri. Nice bit of trickery. Tries to get it clear. Ferran Torres. Oh, shooting chance! And we have our very first corner. Punched away. Ferran, he's got the shot away! And it's hoisted clear. Pedri! Oh, that is rather wayward.
Well, it was hit with great power, Peter, but sadly not great precision.
So it is still 0-0. And he's gone looking for safety. It's a throw-in. No, he refuses to take the bait. Casado. Now it's Ferran Torres.
We're seeing some really good pressure being applied here, Peter, particularly from those guys up front.
Yeah, and it just, I suppose, Jim, denies the others time and space.
Well, I would call it blanket suffocation. Every single player is committed to the press, and there's simply no way out.
He's gone forward, and here's Ferran. Can he finish? Goal! Barcelona! Perfect placement, the one place the keeper couldn't reach.
He weighed up the landscape, Peter, and he stuck it bang in the corner.
Barcelona penetrate first. It is a truly precious lead. Yamal going face-to-face with his great rival. And the two sides separated by the game's only breakthrough moment to this point. 1-0 the score. That's ruffled a few feathers, but shapes to shoot. And collective relief etched on the faces of the defenders. De Roon. Shin to shin, bicep to bicep, and he wins out. And it's Lewandowski. Cuadrado. Retegi.
There will be
Pau
1 minute added
Kubasi
time.
going full steam ahead down the left flank. There's the whistle for half-time. Well, a very decent watch up to now, but just the one goal so far. It has been competitive and combative throughout. How's the first half compared with your expectation?
Well, I think the scoreline offers a fair reflection of the level of endeavour from both teams. I think they lead because they did most of the probing. A little more penetration, I think, should help them get the job done.
Barcelona happy to have the lead in a tight old game. Half-time, 1-0. And if you're just back from your break, you've missed very little of the resumption of the second half. Barcelona carrying a one-goal lead. Yamal. That's very neat. Chooses to go cross-field. Fires a chance! It's a goal! 2 up now, and they are cruising. His position was perfect, the invitation was there for him, and his response absolutely clinical.
Well, the keeper has every right to have a moan at his defenders for that, because they never got tight to the score. Simple as.
Barcelona are sitting pretty, 2-0 up.
Well, now's the time you could afford to be more daring, Peter. It may be tempting to sit on this, but I'd say go and grab a third.
He's coming under serious pressure here.
Yeah, they're certainly getting much tighter to him now. At least the message was received. Ferran Torres, well, he was given the time and room initially to hold on to the ball, but eventually he was squeezed that bit harder and the task became too much. I think he's got to be a little quicker in his distribution then and get others into the match.
And he's had it nicked away. Oh, that's ambitious. Gave it a go, but off target.
Yeah, he's disappointed with himself, but at least his boss is applauding the effort he made.
A poorly directed kick from the keeper, he's given it away. Pedri. Belanova. Nice physical challenge. Valde. And now the hit! It's off target and by quite a way.
Valde knew immediately he didn't catch that to his liking, and his face was a picture of dissatisfaction.
More and more pressure on the ball here. Into the last quarter of an hour. Now it's Cuadrado, and he's managed to get free. No, he's not getting past him there. And they've got rid. And smartly Lookman! Oh no, that could be a costly miss.
And he could have eased the pressure on his team by taking them within one of an equaliser.
Well, there's the clearance. Ferran Torres! They are rampant! And surely that settles it. And with that, the hat-trick is complete.
Well, you had to fancy him, Peter. He seems to be growing in stature with every goal.
(3-0) and things are starting to look awfully cosy. Fires from distance. And that is a routine catch. De Roon. Quadrado. He has found the way through. Climbs up big! And he's there to belt it away. And time is up. Barcelona can celebrate now. They have exactly what they craved. Well, after all of that, Jim, what are you thinking?
Well, it's pretty clear that there was a solid game plan in place for what was a very high-pressure game. I think it shows great maturity on the part of the players, and it was, for me, well-deserved and well-earned.
Please be reminded.
Thanks to